Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you can simply hold your device's screen and click on this red icon at the top right corner of your search bar. Then tap on Remove Widget and select Done at the top right corner. You can also hold your search bar instead and tap on Remove Widget below it. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!